What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we was shopping in Costco once again. I know I'm starting to become a Costco freak now. Sorry, Sam's Club. I still got my Sam's Club membership, but you know, I'm gonna be honest. Costco has more cooler things in Costco. Right here we have a light strip, and the coolest thing about this light strip is it works with Alexa. Okay, if you go online, pretty much most light strips that is smart or voice controlled, they are a little bit more on the pricey side. This one is 20 bucks, okay? Now, the only downfall is 16 foot. Now, I would like a little bit more than 16 foot. If you check out my, little rant or whatever I did, it was a little rant. I still like the 65 foot or the 60 foot Cherokee that I bought from Amazon, but unfortunately, I thought it was going to work with Amazon Alexa. It didn't, so now we are here. Also, this works with Google, and it says work with Siri shortcuts. I don't know what Siri shortcuts is, but we will find out. Let's take this out of the box. And I'm gonna be honest, this is a big box. Usually when you get something as small as 16 foot, even the 60 foot one that I just bought was in a smaller box. The 60 foot Cherokee and the 64 Govee, whatever. It says it right there, Feit electric. Now I tried to look this up on Costco.com, and I think basically this is a in-store purchase type of deal. All right, we of course have our power cord. We have our remote, nice, small and simple. Got a little square design. We have here single click on and off. So you have a single click on and off. All right, you guys, so this is my first time seeing this. This is a USB Type-C little port right here. So that is interesting. Most of the time it's those little 4 hooks, like right here. And this is thick. This is a very thick coating. The ones I usually get are flat. This one has like a little round shape on the top of it. This goes into this slot right here. I'm going to loosen it up, which I was trying to do earlier. I'm going to plug it in. And wow, these lights are, I'm gonna be honest, these are bright. These are better than the Govee lights that I purchased a little while ago, and they are better than that really cheap set that I just bought for $16. But I mean, for $4 more, of course you get way less footage, you know, 16 foot, but I might not complain about this. I might actually get another one so I can get my 32 foot, because it has another hookup on the back side, another USB Type-C hookup. So you can put this on the wall and you can hit the button. This is a quick on and off switch, and that's it. All right, now you have your remote. All right, so they have little mounts. This is cool. Rubber mounts. You can mount it to wherever you want to mount it, and they give you little bitty screws with it. Give you some sticker, they give you one sticky pad, and the rest are mounts. Nice little instruction guides. I actually like this, like really like it. All right, you guys, so let me go ahead, download the app, hook it up, and then I'll get to the final review. I can honestly say that this gives out a better, darker color than the one that I reviewed last time. Hold on, give me 1 second. Focus y'all in. Sorry about that. Now, this gives out a better color than the last one I just reviewed. Obviously, I think the last one is just so cheap. I am actually on yellow right now. I'm actually on yellow, and I'm actually getting a yellow color. Like I said in the previous review, my Govee, whatever, it don't give you a yellow. You have to actually go on orange. Like, you have to go between orange, green-ish, and if you go on yellow, you get green. But on here, I am clearly on yellow, and I am getting a yellow color. Now, let me see. Let's go back to dimming, and my yellow is at full brightness. So that is the full brightness of the yellow that we're getting. All right. So now let me just go ahead and start changing colors. I'm gonna be honest, this has pretty good colors. This is, I see why even the reviews on the app has 5 stars. So let's go ahead. You got music. They would like to access your microphone. Then you can go ahead and, well, if you have music on, we don't have music on right now. So let's see. Oh, no. All right, effects. We got patriotic. So patriotic should be red, right, white, and blue, right? Yep, red, white, and blue. All right, Easter. Okay. Halloween. Of course, Halloween is orange. We all know that, orange and black. All right, I'm not going to do all that stuff. Over here, we have schedules. You could click add schedule, and nothing is happening. Okay, it's a little bit of delay on the app, but it's okay. All right, so you can set this on a schedule. Usually I come in my studio late nights. You know, right now it's even 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm up all day and all night. So, yeah. Okay, so I will probably set this up around late night when I know I'm about to come down here, do some reviews or whatever I'm going to do down here, make a beat or do something. I will set up a schedule.